24 Border Security Force personnel tested positive for COVID-19 in Tripura on Thursday, taking the total number of cases in the state to 88. All the fresh cases were reported in the 86th Battalion headquarters of BSF located at Ambassa in the Dhalai district. Though BSF has claimed to have shut down all the mass gatherings for the time being, the fresh cases show battalions deployed close to the affected ones is also hit by the virus. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar on Friday termed the death of 16 migrant workers in Aurangabad train accident as heart-wrenching and said the centre must work closely in unison with the state governments to ensure labourers reach their homes safely. His party colleagues, Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and Water Resources Minister Jayant Patil also expressed shock over the death of the migrant workers. The National Green Tribunal slapped an interim penalty of ₹50 crores on LG Polymers India and sought response from the centre and others on Friday in the gas leak incident in Visakhapatnam, saying there appears to be failure to comply with the said rules and that other statutory provisions. NGT has set up a 5-member committee to probe Thursday's gas leak incident in the chemical factory, in which 11 people were killed and 1,000 exposed, and submit a report before May 18th. On day 45th of the lockdown in India, the nationwide tally of COVID-19 cases crossed 56,000. The death toll reached 1,886, with most fatalities in Maharashtra at 694, followed by Gujarat. Delhi, with 5,980 cases so far, is likely to see a peak in coronavirus cases in June and July. Earlier, AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria, talking about the pandemic situation in India, said that the peak will come in June-July for the country. A migrant married couple who had set out for their native village town in Chhattisgarh from UP were mowed down on the road in the early hours of Thursday in Lucknow. The couple and the 2 children were making a desperate bid to cycle back to their village when a vehicle ran them down at 1:30 a.m. last night. Their 2 children survived the accident. China has said that it supports a World Health Organization-led review into the global response to the coronavirus outbreak, but after the pandemic is over. The World Health Organization chief said that the review should be conducted in an open, transparent and inclusive manner. China also stressed that any inquiry should be based on the international health regulations and be authorized by the World Health Assembly or Executive Committee, the WHO's dual governing bodies.